Hey everybody, today I have a 2006 Infiniti M45 with the 4.5 liter V8, and it had the code P1140, which is intake valve timing control position sensor on bank 1. Okay, so this is bank 1 on the driver's side. This is that position sensor. So what I did to troubleshoot this car, this sensor on bank 1 is the same as this sensor on bank 2. So what I did is I took this sensor out and put it over here, and put this sensor and put it over here, cleared the codes, and the code that came back was a P1145, which now is telling me that this sensor's bad. So when I change the sensors, that's telling me that this sensor is bad because it did not set the code for this side. It's now setting the code for that side. So luckily these sensors are interchangeable, and that's an easy way to find out if the sensor's bad or you have a different problem. So there's just a really quick one, and I'm going to go ahead and order the original equipment Infiniti ones for this car because I don't trust the aftermarket. They probably don't last. I'm going to go ahead and switch both of them because if one went bad, the other one's probably getting ready to go bad. So there's a real quick one for you. If you have an 1140 or 1145 on an Infiniti, see if you can switch the sensors and see if the code moves to the other side, and if it does, then you know that you have a bad sensor. So we'll put 2 new sensors in this one and take care of it. Alrighty, buddy, just a quick one for you. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that over there in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Please give me a thumbs down if you don't like the videos. Please like and share. Thanks a lot, everybody.